Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you Shopify how to add images to homepage. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do here is we need to open up shopify.com and just log in into our account. Now once logged in, go to the online store section here and go to themes, and in your theme here, go ahead and click on customize. Now from here, it's going to open up our editor, and from our editor, we first have to identify or familiarize ourselves with the tools that we could use to basically add our images. So in here at the left panel section of your screen, you should see the home page section. So our homepage here is actually divided into three. So we have our header, the footer, and the main body. Now in this case, if you want to add an image on your section here, like for example in the main body here, what we need to do here is we need to add a section. So when you click on add section here, there's going to be a few options that you might want to try. Now one of those options is the most basic one here, which is the image with text. So from the name itself, so when you click on it, you'll be able to basically edit or add a section that contains an image as well as a text on it. Now you also have the option to add a button for it, but if you want to delete the button, go ahead and click on it and click on the trash can icon and you'll be able to remove it. Now from here, if you want to change your text, just click on the section that you want to change. Like for example, this one, you could go ahead and double click on it or go to the right section here, and from here just change the text. Now from here, if you want to change the image itself, go ahead and click on the image with text section here, and once you click on it at the right section, you should be able to see these options here that you could basically edit. Now in this case, we have at the very top the image section here. So you could basically upload an image or explore the free images that they have on Shopify. Now for example, let's go ahead and explore free images. So we want to maybe go to fall here and maybe choose a random photo. So maybe choose this one and just click on select. And as you can see, we were able to basically change or add a section that has an image for it. Now, in this case, if you're not looking for a basic one here, you could choose the other options that is available on Shopify. So go ahead and click on add section again, and we now have the image banner. Now, image banner is somewhat similar to this one. So basically, it's going to be a banner and a very wide section. Like for example, you only want to showcase a very specific section. Like for example, we want to remove the section here that says give customers, and we also want to remove the button here as well and the name as well. Now under image banner, when you click on it, you'll be able to upload your image. Let's go ahead and click on select image, and from here maybe choose this one, click on done. And from here we also want to choose our second image, so maybe we want to choose this one and hit undone. Now from here, as you can see, we were able to choose our image, and if you only want one image, you could go ahead and click on the change option here, click on remove image, and as you can see, we only have one image. But yeah, so you could also add blocks here, like for example under image banner, if you click on it, you have the option to add headings, text, buttons if you want to. But yeah, for now, let's go ahead and go back in here. Now again, when we click on add section here, we also have the other options that we could use. Now we also have the slideshow option here, which from the name itself, you'll be able to add a image slide. Now in this case, you could go ahead and click on the image slide options or a slide here, and from here you could go ahead and upload your image. Like for example, we want to use this image. Now for the second slide, we could choose our second image, and from here upload this one and just click on done. And from here, we now have our image slide. Now, in this case, when you click on the slideshow option here, you also have the option to change the slide every 5 seconds, or you could just basically edit this one into your liking, for example, every 2 seconds. Now, from here, you can go ahead and just click on save, and you'll be able to add your slideshow. Now, one section or another section that you could use here is the option for collage as well. Now for collage, this one is kind of tricky because you'll be able to use products, collection, and a very specific image. Now from here in the collage section, when you click on the image section here, you'll be able to add an image on this section here. But if you choose product here, you'll be able to choose a product instead of an image, and same with collection, instead of image, you'll be able to choose a collection. So this is a great way to basically mix up your sections here. So basically this one is kind of refreshing because you have your image here, your product here, and your collection name here as well. Now in this case, we also have the other sections that we could use here. So let's just click on add section, and from here we have the multi-column and the multi-row. Now from the name itself, you'll be able to use multi-column or multi-row here to basically add text and images. Like for example, we want to choose multi-column here, you'll be able to basically edit the column. Like for example, when I click on the column here, I have the option to select an image. So maybe I want to use this image, click on done, and as you can see, it's going to update itself and an image is now present on that column. Now from here on, you can go ahead and do the same thing, edit the text, add your images, and you should be done. So yeah, so those are the ways for you to add images on your Shopify homepage. So this one is quite simple. It actually depends on you how artistic you're gonna be with this features here in Shopify, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.